Welcome to Crypto Live. Is XRP possible to reach $500? How true is it that Rothschild'S want to replace the dollar with XRP? In this video, you will learn the answers to these questions, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. Ripple is the future. The Rothschild family is buying more Ripple, so today you'll be blown away by what we are about to share. And the XRP prices could even be blown up. As it is said that there are busy times for Rothschild as they are expanding their stake and Ripple. You may not want to miss any of the powerful XRP futures, thus stay with us till the end. First of all, let's start with a brief history about the Rothschild family. Therefore, this will help us to stay connected to our topic throughout the video, and I do not want you to miss a frame out of the Frankfurt Jewish family. They are a wealthy family who started their banking business in the 1760s, and in the Holy Roman Empire in the United Kingdom, the family was given a noble rank. Then, in towns like London, Paris, Frankfurt, Vienna, and Naples, the family's banking business operated throughout the world. And this family business takes its name from the family house of Rothschild. Then the family business changed over time as a result of several transformations, and the company today has numerous business sectors, including finance, real estate, mining, energy, agriculture, winemaking, and nonprofit organizations. So now we have already outlined the Rothschild family. Current market transitions tend to be feared in the investment world, as price dips indicate a bear market, but if we think about it another way, they suggest that this is a buying opportunity. And when the cryptographs show a downward trend, they're bound to bounce with a pretty good run of high price rises. And crypto investors should grasp this concept. In general, intelligent investors focus on buy-in dip strategies and building their portfolios. And these are the people who stand to benefit most from these dips. That is why investment strategies such as these should be based on and planned for in order to gain vast returns. Additionally, Rothschild walked away from its buy-in dip strategy and indirectly increased its stake, and the Rothschild investment of $1 billion is now extended to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Also, since April of this year, Rothschild has increased its exposure to Bitcoin by 300%. As a result, Rothschild Investment Corp has boosted its portfolio enormously with this investment. Many of us want short-term increases in the prices of such digital assets, but we frequently misunderstand the theory of the crypto market. Because short-term games must not be played on volatile markets like the crypto market. It is sometimes possible to use luck in the short term, but for the crypto market, this strategy requires sound analysis and research. And as I have already mentioned, Rothschild is not only increasing its stake in Bitcoin, but also in Ethereum. In the second quarter of 2021, Rothschild Investment Corporation increased its stake in Ethereum Trust by 5%. A filing reported that Bitcoin stakes increased from $1.92 million to $4.2 million, and Ethereum stakes rose from $4.75 million to $6.2 million. Despite the fact that Tesla, Apple, Google, and many other players have entered the crypto markets much before, for Rothschild, this is an amazing investment in the last quarter, and the majority of them have increased their stake recently. Although there are no official announcements, the news has been reported by multiple sources. Then the e-commerce leader Amazon is now entering the cryptocurrency market. Possibly they have already used it before for investment purposes, but are now seeking to utilize the services offered by cryptocurrency platforms. Why have big platforms become interested in cryptocurrency? All these well-known companies seem confident that crypto will grow since something big is being planned for the market. In the end, the value of each crypto would rise, and in return, investors would benefit accordingly. Clearly, as well, this is a sign that all the crypto coins will be seeing price increases. And based on the reports, on my research and view on the crypto market, you may be able to take advantage of this market now if you're planning to invest in crypto. In this way, you can enjoy effortless profits from your investments. It has recently been updating its platform for crypto payments on the huge global platform. The MasterCard partnership includes Paxos Trust Company, Evolve Bank and Trust, and Circle. Two of the first companies are renowned stablecoin platforms and infrastructure providers respectively. And Circle is a significant operator in the US dollar coin and a global finance industry. Then, card companies like MasterCard and their partners are developing new ways to make these capabilities available to more banks and crypto companies so that they can offer card services to customers who want to spend digital assets instantly at any time and anywhere. And everything would now be accomplished through MasterCard, so it would be accepted everywhere. Recently, it is obvious that cryptocurrencies are crazily popular among individual users and financial institutions alike. Also, this is a sign that the crypto world is gaining momentum. As cryptocurrencies spread and succeed in every sector possible, they would be a huge success. With increasing awareness of cryptocurrencies, the crypto market continues to grow. At present, 90% of the institutional industry is incorporating cryptos to support the functioning of 2026, according to a survey by Fidelity Digital Assets. And in a report from Fidelity Digital Assets, they stated that cryptos were most popular in Asia. However, Europe and the US investors are a lot more optimistic. As we know, the number of partnerships and collaborators for different cryptocurrencies is increasing every day. The demand for all of them has increased, regardless of whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP. And probably we may reach the point when cryptos will be the focus of the whole financial world one day. Also been said that there are many outstanding cryptocurrencies available in the crypto market, but XRP is the most outstanding. And there is no crypto that comes close to XRP's platform and services compared to Ripple and XRP itself. In contrast to Bitcoin, which is decentralized, Ripple has been centralized and integrated into the global financial world. In spite of its lack of popularity with followers of decentralization, XRP is legitimate in the eyes of those suspicious of cryptocurrencies through its partnership with financial institutions. Moreover, the blockchain technology where Ripple is built has the potential to benefit institutions by offering a quicker transaction speed, a lower cost per transaction, as well as more dependability. And as part of its worldwide network, Ripple utilizes the XRP ledger, which includes a native digital asset, XRP, tied to the cryptocurrency Ripple. Along with all this, Ripple's CEO has something to say about the coin and its platform, and by focusing exclusively on timely updates from XRP CEO Brad Garlinghouse, investors gain trust in the worthy token. By 2025, he says, XRP will have scaled greatly, which makes most analysts optimistic about the future of the platform. And it was his correct predictions of XRP prices that made him famous. There is no doubt that a CEO is more aware of his company's token than a local trader. We now see XRP collaborating with reputable banks and financial institutions, which he accurately predicted would be of great help to XRP. It is also worth noting that Ripple and the XRP community have never worked on short-term prices for the coin, but on fundamentals instead. The fact that XRP survived the crash is evidence of the brand's resilience and a green flag because many other companies have failed miserably while surviving the crash. In addition to this, XRP is a fierce competitor to Ethereum. As a counterpart to Ethereum, XRP is a digital payment network that runs on RippleNet in a distributed ledger that is open source. The XRP token works a bit differently than other tokens. It uses a centralized mechanism that allows anyone to download their validated software, and selecting one of the nodes that the user feels is secure is the next step in continuing the transaction. And I believe this technology could be used in a very interesting way. From the very start, it was a better option than Ethereum because of its lower fees, or perhaps no fees, though at the time it lacked smart contract support. And there will be reduced fees for the token on the platform once this is upgraded. Also, a possible Swift replacement. Then all the features on the platform are more efficient and effective than those offered by traditional financial institutions. Moreover, with XRP using just an internet connection, the unbanked population can access all the financial services. Many of the financial systems are already tying up the Ripple XRP platform for smooth functioning so that it could replace the well-known SWIFT system in the traditional banking system soon. The SWIFT processor has slow transaction times, hefty fees, and is even risky. And if we switch our focus to the Ripple XRP payment mechanism, it is 100% more efficient and fits our current needs better. In light of the recent news that Rothschild family donates US dollars for gold and other currencies, as reported by Cointelegraph, so would Rothschild want to replace the dollar with XRP? As we all know that the Rothschild family is into finance and banking, and as we discussed the potential and winning features of XRP today, everything from the current financial world's need for cryptocurrencies to how XRP fits best in the frame was discussed today. There are a lot of indications of a bull run looming in the future and a boom in XRP prices. And Ripple XRP is wholly supported by its fundamentals and adoptions. Financial experts predict that the IMF, central banks, and XRP will dominate the financial world in the future. And we can see an entire financial system based on XRP here. So if that happens, I think that prices are certain to skyrocket exponentially, and perhaps of up to $500. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.